Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new DIZO Buds Z. We will be seeing what we have in the boxes, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in them. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The box itself is small and simple as you can see. We have the buds, one small charger, some extra earpieces and the user manual. They are very practical small case and fit very well on your ears. The earbuds are very light, roughly 3.7 grams each. The body is made of plastic and features the same slippery plastic finish. In turn, the earbuds could attract fingerprints, but it's not that obvious. There are also provisioned slits for the microphones, and metal contacts at the bottom of the stem for charging. The DIZO Buds Z also supports touch controls. It comes with an IPX4 rating. This means that it can resist water splashes and spills. Of course, it is sweat-proof. To connect them is very easy. Open Bluetooth in the end of the page you'll find DIZO Buds Z, click them and they connect automatically. You can take them out and use them without any problem. Straight to YouTube we go to test them. We have our last video here. The sound is very clear and powerful. If you turn the volume all the way up it's sometimes too much, but again very clear. Like we mentioned before, we have touch sensitivity on the side of the buds. Touch 2 times for play or pause music, answer or hang up a call. Touch 3 times, play next song. Press and hold for 2s, reject incoming call. Press and hold both L and R earbuds for 2s, enter or exit game mode. Press and hold both earbuds for 10s, factory reset. Same options apply for Android or even laptops like we have one here. These buds work perfectly with every device that you have. In our opinion, these buds work very well and the quality of them is great for the price that they have. These are worth buying. So, this is pretty much it for the DIZO Buds Z. I really enjoyed reviewing this model and these are really great buds, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a Bluetooth bud. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.